I'm so glad you clicked play because you literally just found the best video editor on Fiverr. My name is Mark Santos and I have more than 200,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel and more than 10 years of video editing experience with Final Cut Pro. During the quarantine, I started working on Fiverr and I literally fell in love with helping people with their videos. Take a look at my reviews and you'll see that all my clients are 100% satisfied with my work. I have edited all types of videos, from short clips to vlogs to Instagram reels to corporate videos to literally everything.
Pulling out the coupe at the whole damn field, I'ma get laid.
I work really fast and I'm literally on my computer 24/7, so just send me a message and we can get started right away.